Yo, what's up? Let's talk about something we all dream about, but never really nail, turning that boring 9 to 5 paycheck into serious wealth. Like, imagine your salary not just covering bills, but building a life where money works for you. Sounds unreal? Nah, dude. Let's break down 8 game-changing moves that'll flip your finances from meh to let's go. 1. Ditch the brokey mindset. First off, stop thinking like you're stuck. Rich people aren't lucky. They're obsessed with possibilities. If you're sitting there like, I'll never afford a Lumbo, guess what? You won't. Start seeing money as a tool, not a trap. Read a book, watch a TED Talk, whatever. Just rewire that brain to spot opportunities, not excuses. Pay yourself first. No, seriously. When that paycheck hits, you get paid before Netflix, Starbucks, or your landlord. Automatically siphon 10 to 20% into savings or investments. But my bills? Nah, this forces you to hustle smarter. Cut the Uber Eats, negotiate bills, side hustle, get creative. Your future self will high-five you. Turn your salary into a money printer. Your jobs, just seed money. Invest in stuff that pays you, dividend stocks, rental properties, even a tiny side biz. Think of it like planting a tree. Water it, invest, wait, and boom, free fruit forever. Compound interest ain't sexy, but it's magic. Start with $100. Just start. Debt, the double-edged sword. Not all debt's bad. Taking a loan for a depreciating Tesla? Dumb. Borrowing to buy a rental property that pays you monthly? Genius. Use good debt to build assets. But credit card debt? Cut those cards. Now, Tax Ninja moves rich folks don't pay more taxes. They hack them. Learn deductions, retirement accounts, and invest in tax-friendly stuff. Example, rentals let you deduct repairs, mortgage interest, even travel. Get a tax pro and keep more of your cash. Multiple streams or broke dreams. If your salary's your only income, you're one layoff away from panic mode. Build side gigs, freelance, YouTube, dog walking, anything. Diversify like your life depends on it, because it kind of does. Skills, salary, stop begging for a raise. Learn high-value skills, coding, sales, content creation, that make you irreplaceable. Then monetize those skills outside your job. Your boss won't make you rich. You will. Live like you're poor, even when you're not. Biggest trap? Lifestyle inflation. Got a raise? Don't upgrade your apartment. Upgrade your investments. Drive a Corolla, wear thrift store swag, and stack cash while everyone's flexing on Instagram. Rich people stay rich by acting broke. Final punch. Look, getting rich ain't about luck or working 80-hour weeks. It's about playing smarter. Start today. Open a savings account. Read one finance book. Invest $50. Small steps, big rewards. And hey, if this lit a fire under you, smash that subscribe button. Let's build a squad of future millionaires. Every video's a new hack, so don't miss out. Catch you in the next one, where we dive deeper into making your money work while you sleep. Peace.